Hey guys, today this is your notes assignment. So as you make a copy, will you please remember to add this to your math folder? This is going to be very useful for you throughout the week. So we're going to be graphing lines. You need to be able to plot a point, and you also need to be able to identify that slope is rise over run. So what I've done on these two slides is I've created a graph, and I have provided 2 points for you and a line for you to use as well. So what you'll be doing in 7th grade is you'll be given a directive such as slope is 2/3, which is 2/3, rise over run, and a point -2, -1. So the first thing you do, which is a little annoying and a little bit confusing, is they like to list out the slope first and then the point. But in order to graph the line, you actually have to plot the point first. So we're going to graph the points -2, -1. So we're going to start at the origin, and we're going to take that point and we're going to move it back 2 and down 1. So put a dot there. From there, you then use the slope to find the second point. So my rise is 2 and my run is 3. So that means from this point, you go up 2 and over 3. So up 1, 2, over 3. 1, 2, 3. I then put my new point there. Essentially, I've now created my line. I use this line tool as an option. If for any reason you don't like using this one and you want to create your own, you can more than welcome to do so by clicking the line. Sometimes it's honestly easier just having it pass through. And there's an option as well. If you wanted to see how I did mine, you're going to take my line and just move it over. I always have issues when I'm recording. So you take the blue dot and drag it out. You can move it up or down, adjust it however you like. And there is my line. So we've just created our first line. So I want you on your video in your notes to actually go along with me. Make sure you know how to do this because we will have an assignment over this tomorrow. So same thing for this one. We're going to plot the point 3, 1 first. So you're going to go over from the origin, over right 3, up 1. And then from there, we do a slope of 1/2, meaning rise 1, run 2. So I'm going to go up 1, over 2, and put a dot there. Take your line, drag it out, and there you go. Finished. If you really wanted to, you could make your line longer, extend it across the graph. Honestly, it doesn't matter. All right, this one, same process. We're going to go from the origin, -2, 3. So we're going to go back 2 and up 3. Drag my dot there. And then from there, our slope is -2. So this is opposite of what we've done. Instead of rising and running, we're actually going to go down because it's a negative slope. So we're going to go down 2. And if I stopped there, that would be a line straight up and down, which is not a slope of -2. That's an undefined line. So you have to remember to make a number fraction, you put it over 1. So we're going to go down 2 and over 1. And we're going to graph that line. Let's see if I got that figured out. Pretty close. So what I have you guys doing today is logging onto iExcel. There is slope, or graphing a line with a slope and a point. I will have that assigned to that by the time you've watched this video, so that will be there for you to see. I think you're actually going to like it better than these notes because you just click the point and then you get to click the second point. There's not a lot of this dragging and dropping kind of thing. The iExcel is a lot more user-friendly. So please make sure, if you haven't already, to add this to your folder. Log on to iExcel, work through these problems. Email me if you have any questions. Today will be Tuesday, so please make sure if you have any questions, you zoom in. It's a little bit easier, and hopefully I can show you how to do those things if you need it. Have a great day, guys.